Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Sanshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned that how to build one email slicer with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now, in this class, we will learn that how to build one binary search algorithm with Python, and I hope you will also enjoy this class like you are enjoying my all previous classes. So now, let's start. Now first of all, open your text editor what you have. Okay, now I will open my IDLE with Python. Okay, IDLE means that it comes with Python. Okay, if you know it is coming, it comes with Python. If you download Python over here, so it is coming with Python. Okay, so now just full screen over here. Now here you can see this, there is our file. Now here first of all save your file. Okay, now go to save and now save it like any name you want to. I will give it like search.py. okay, because it is our Python file, so p.py, so .py is giving really important over here. Okay, now just go here on desktop and save it. Okay, now yes, just over here. Now here you can see this, our file has been created over here. Okay, and now here we will start now our coding. Okay, and here you can see like many options of file, edit, format, run. From here you can run your module options. From here you can change font or change color, or you can also take any big fonts if you want to. Okay, so now I hope you all understand this IDLE, which is already installed with Python over here. Okay, now here when you have come over here, now here you have to define like first of all here you have to do like here write over here like def binary search. Okay, because we are defining our binary search algorithm, so we have to define first of all define then binary search over here. Now here you have to do like binary search, which will be like def. Okay, it will be not def, like it will be list one. Okay, because we will also define list over here, so we have to write here list. Okay, now list with comma, and here we have to define key over here. Okay, now we will write the key which user is found or not. Okay, so here you have to define like with list one key over here. Now when you have defined this all, just close the bracket over here. Now come over here, semicolon over here. Now press enter. Okay, now till here we have done our work. Now here you have to define like low, which will be equal to 0. Okay, now low will be equal to 0 over here. Okay, because our list is, so low will be over 0. Now come over here, which will be high. Okay, high means your level. Okay, how much your level will be, low or high. Okay, so it will be high, like we have defined low is 0, so it will be high over here. Okay, now come over here, write here len, and now len means length over here. Okay, now here you have to do like write over here list 1. Okay, because like I have tell you, we have to define list in the last, so we have to write here list over here. Okay, now like we have defining our binary search, so we have to define with list over here. Okay, now till here we have done, and you have to write here -1 over here. Okay, now we will minus this one with this list over here. Okay, now then user will tell like your key is found in your list or not. Okay, so now till here I have done high len, which will be list 1, and it is -1. Now come over here, and now here you have to define like found. Okay, found will be equal to false. Okay, now it will be false then when we were going forward, so it will be like true. Found will be now true. Okay, now it will be not true over here, it will be like when we are doing forward over here. Okay, now you can see we have done length, which will be brackets list 1, then -1 over here, then found, which is false over here. Okay, now till here we have defined our work. Come over here, here you have to define like while. Okay, because we are defining our work with while, so we have to define like while over here, low over here, and now here you have to define like this sign and this sign, and here you have to define high over here. Okay, with low we are defining high also, so we will define like while low, then this sign over here, and equals to high over here. Now till here I have defined, and now here you have to define and not found over here. Okay, now you have done this work over here, press enter, and now here you can see while low, high, and not found over here. Now here you have to define like low. Okay, which is equal to like it will be low plus high over here. Okay, now when you have done this all, just here you have to write like this sign, and here you have to write 2 over here. Okay, now because we are writing like this, so we have to define here mid. Okay, we will also define this mid when we are going forward over here. So now first we have defined our mid with low and plus with high, because we are defining and plussing low with high over here. Okay, now you have seen I have just giving this slashes with 2 over here. Okay, now here you have to define like if key. Okay, now if key will be equal, and now the if key will be like, now it will be mid. Okay, mid, which will be, now here it will be like, first of all here will be list 1. Okay, and here will be dot over here. Okay, now just list 1 over here, and now like this brackets. Okay, now here you have to write this sign over here, and here 0 like this. Just you have to erase this all. Okay, list 1 right here. Now we have done our work till here. Okay, now you can see this. Now here just you have to write brackets. Okay, and now here you have to just write over here like this. Now press enter over here, and now here you have to define like mid. Okay, equal to, it will be low, and it will be like minus, and now it will be 1 over here. Okay, it will be plus. Okay, plus 1. Now till here we have done our work. Okay, mid equal to low plus 1 over here. Now over here you have to write like key. Okay, key will be like of, now here will be key of equal to, and now key elif key, which will be this sign over here. Okay, this greater than sign, and now here you have to write elif like this key list 1. Now it will be like mid over here, and now here will be also like this sign. Okay, and now like this there will be. Now press enter over here. Okay, and now here you have to write like, now here we will write low. Okay, low, which will be equal to, and here you have to write mid plus 1 over here. Okay, now you have done. Then here you have to write else. Okay, in else we will write like high, which is equal to mid minus 1. Okay, because we have defined plus 1 2 times, and now here you have to define like high, which is minus 1 over here. Okay, now till here you have done our work. Now here you have to do like, just come over here, and now here you have to write if found. Okay, if found, which will be equal true over here. Okay, now I hope you all remember this true tag, because we have learned about it many times, and I hope you all remember and know about this true tag, and I hope you all are understanding that what we are doing here. Okay, now first of all run it. Okay, so now we will check. So there is invalid text error. Okay, there is coming invalid syntax error. Okay, here. So first of all save it over here, run, and run module over here. Okay, now here you can see this, there is again error. Okay, now we will check this. Okay, just first of all here you have to write like this, and now here you have to write this sign over here. Okay, again brackets. Okay, till here we have done. Now here you have to write like, come over here, and here you have to write print. Okay, and in print you have to write like key. Okay, we have to write like key is found. Okay, if key will be found, so there will be coming key is found over here. Okay, now here you have done. Now here you have to write else, and now in else you have to write like print. Now it will be like key is not found. Okay, so here you can see if this key will not in our list, so it will not found. Okay, key will not found over here. Now when you have done this all, come over here, and now here you have to define list 1, which will be like equal to, and now here you have to define like your list over here 23 like 4 2, and here I am defining 1 and 3 over here. Okay, now I have defined some list, and now list 1, which will be sort. Okay, like this it will be. Now here you have to define like list 1. Okay, and now list 1, which will be dot. Okay, and now it will be like dot print over here. Okay, and now till here I have done my work. Okay, now you can see this we have done. Now just you have to just go over here and now minimize it. Now here you can see there is our file search.py. Okay, now here if you see that we have done our work. Now if you run over here, okay, and now there is coming an again invalid text, so here you have to just erase over here. Okay, and now if you write over here like this, and now here you have to write like this square bracket over here. Okay, and now if you write mid over here, and here you will define like this, and now if you write like this over here, and now here you have to write like this brackets. Okay, and now in bracket just like that, and now here you have to define this over here. Okay, and now like this we have done. Now save it. Okay, run. So now invalid here. Okay, so now here we will write like list 1 is defined, and now mid value will be defined in here. Okay, so now we have done our work. Just you have to just you have to erase over here. Okay, now we have done, just you have to save it over here and run. Okay, so now here you can see this list as not object print. Okay, because we have defined print over here, so we have to just write like that, and you have to just write here like that. Now first of all save it, and now if you run it, okay, so now there is coming like this. And now if you write like print over here, okay, so now here you can see this built-in function print over here. Okay, so this is binary search. You can see this if I write like, if you run over here, okay, and now here you can see if I write print, so there is coming built-in function print. Okay, so binary search algorithm will tell you that what is a function about. Okay, it is a built-in function in print. Okay, so there is coming print, which is built-in function over here. Okay, so now here if you write like button over here, so now there is coming error because it is not any tag in our Python. Okay, and now else over here, so there is also coming error. Okay, you can see this all things. Now there is coming, and now if you define print over here, so you can see this built-in function, because print is used in many times, and we all use it for printing over here. Okay, and now you can see these are not main functions in Python, so these are coming syntax error, and this is also coming syntax error. Okay, I hope you all understand. And here when you have writing print, so built-in function print is here, so we are defining print over here. So now you can see this sort is defined here over here. Now run module, and if you write again print, so you can see this built-in function over here, because in Python print is built-in function and it is really useful in Python, so we have to use it in many times over here. Okay, so now I hope you understand that what is binary search algorithm with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed this video also, like you are enjoying my all previous videos, and I hope you all understand it also. So I will meet you in second class. So for today, goodbye.